Hello and welcome to the unboxing of a small lifting station from the new Minilift family by KESSEL. The Minilift family includes a total of 6 small lifting stations. And here we have the smallest one designed for toilets to handle wastewater containing fecal matter, the Minilift M WC. Before we unpack it, let's take a look at the information provided on the packaging. Here we have a simple diagram that shows us for which sanitary fixtures the Minilift M WC is actually suitable for. We see here the shower, the hand basin and the toilet. So this is a fecal lifting unit for which we can find all available information via a QR code that we have here on the packaging. So just point your phone camera at it to be redirected to kessel.de. On the page you land on, you'll find all the information we have about this unit. In addition to the video we're watching right now, you'll also find a video on the topic there, a video on installation and connection, and a video on maintenance. You'll find the detailed installation and operating instructions there, spare parts, services, everything related to this product, accessible via the QR code that we have here on the packaging and also on the unit itself. Here we have the connection options. The toilet connection can be made from the front, or it can also be made from the side. We have the inlets for the wastewater fixtures that are free of fecal matter, such as the shower, hand basin and wash basin 4050, from the left or from the right. And here we see the DN40 pressure outlet of the unit going upwards. And here we see a lifting station in the pre-wall, which is a good idea. For the MWC, the smallest and most compact unit for wastewater free of fecal matter, the pre-wall is an excellent idea. But please make sure to provide appropriate inspection openings so that you can access the unit. Remember the supply and exhaust ventilation. The pre-wall must allow air in and out. A small ventilation grill in an inconspicuous spot makes sense here. We can see what the pump is capable of delivering. I'll say something more about that in a moment. Maximum delivery head, maximum delivery rate, a small pump diagram. So there are already some important pieces of information on the packaging. But now let's take a look inside together. What does it look like? Or rather, what does it come with? Accessories for connection. Here we can see quite a lot. Bag number 1, bag number 2. I'll say it right away. Everything you need to connect the inlet pipes and the toilet is included in this package, in this unit. That means you don't have to order anything extra, no accessories, you don't have to go anywhere else to get something. Everything is all in one in this box. You'll find safety information about the unit. Among other things, it explains here that you absolutely have to unplug it before working on the unit. It also explains where lifting stations for wastewater containing fecal matter may be used in compliance with standards and what you are allowed to connect. There are limitations, but we can't go into detail about them here. But please check what is permitted so you can operate the unit according to the regulations. We have an installation manual that, without words, uses simple illustrations to quickly show what needs to be done step by step during installation and how it works. But for installation and connection, you'll find a separate video. All lifting stations in the Minilift small lifting station family are ready to plug in. Just plug it in and you're good to go. And now let's take the unit out and have a close look at it. This is the Minilift M WC. Let's set the packaging aside. And from the outside, as with all units in this family, we see a nice, clean design. As little visible technology from the front as possible. The cover here extends a bit over the housing. We see the possibility to connect the inlet from the right or from the left, and that's exactly what these 2 fittings in the accessories are for. With them, I can connect the inlet in either 40 or 50 millimeters, for example, for a shower, hand wash basin, washing machine, whatever we have, to the side. You can see an opening at the front here, which I can use with this fitting to connect the toilet. Alternatively, I could use this plate to seal this opening so that it is watertight and odor-proof, and instead use the side connection, the left side as seen from the back, to connect the toilet to the unit. So you have the choice of connecting from the front or from the side. In a pre-wall installation, you usually won't be able to connect from the front, so the side connection is used. This makes us very flexible, allowing us to install this unit, which is very compact for a sewage lifting station, in all installation situations. For small amounts of wastewater and a limited budget and where space is tight, these units are exactly the right choice. Let's take a look inside. To the front, the lid is unlocked. You just have to give it a firm pull upwards here. And then I can already take the lid off. In this lid, we find the ventilation and aeration for the lifting station. So I don't need a separate ventilation and aeration connection here. Instead, it happens through this opening. An activated carbon filter protects us from odors, and it should be replaced once a year. So we can access these solutions and this replaceable insert easily, quickly, and without complications. Here we also have the option to connect an inlet from above. This is a blanking plug. If I leave it in, it's sealed. If I take it out, I could also make a connection from above. And this opening is for the pressure pipe connection. Here the pump then conveys the wastewater upwards out of the unit. Now we still have a bit of packaging material here that we don't need. And then I can quickly and easily show you how uncomplicated it is to remove the pump from these KESSEL compact lifting stations. We're talking about tool-free maintenance here because you don't need a wrench and no clamps need to be loosened to access the pump. The pump comes with the level detection, which I can set in 2 stages. If I connect a shower here, then I should connect it to the low-level suction. That means the pump starts up earlier in order to remove the water from the incoming pipe as early as possible. Here I have the volute casing, which I can remove by twisting it so that I can access the cutting mechanism during maintenance. Here, all the technology is installed that we need to pump wastewater containing fecal matter. A V2A cutting mechanism, very powerful, robust and stable, made of stainless steel to reliably shred and transport everything that comes through the toilets. We can remove the pump quickly and easily without tools, and I'll set it aside here for now. Everything made of cardboard inside the tank needs to be removed. This is only there to protect the fuse during transport. Down here we can see the slip coupling onto which the pump is mounted. Again, without screwing, without needing any tools. With that, we've described all the components inside. We'll take the unit, the pump, out again. Hold it the right way in your hand so you can put it back in. Here we need to make sure we align it correctly with the guide. And then it quickly and easily fits back onto the spot where the connection to the pressure line is, which, by the way, already has the check valve integrated. It's already included. Now the unit is being reassembled. We connect the inlets, we connect the pressure line, the toilet from the front or from the side. And then you can simply plug it into the socket and get started. And the lid can be locked and securely sealed here with a latch for a permanent tight closure. This is the Minilift M WC. Let's take another look at some technical data for this unit. The cable is 1.40 meters long. I think I already mentioned it. The backflow preventer is integrated. The dimensions, once again, it is 410 millimeters long. We have a width of only 170 millimeters, which makes it excellent, especially for installation in front of a wall. A good solution because of this narrow width. And the height is 285 millimeters. The pressure outlet is DN32, outlet outer diameter 40 millimeters. I haven't really revealed much about the pump yet. I mentioned the cutting mechanism V2A. This is a 750 watt pump that can achieve a maximum delivery head of 9 meters. So we can pump very far here and pump very high. And at peak performance, it can handle up to 9.8 cubic meters of wastewater. Yes, another very interesting feature for all professionals, for craftsmen, is that by registering on the KESSEL homepage, you get a 5-year warranty. And that's not just for the tank, but for all components. That means the pump as well, the control board, everything technical that's included here. All of this is covered by the 5-year warranty if you register the system accordingly at kessel.de. So to all the professionals out there, this is how you play it safe. Get yourself this 5-year warranty. All other information, as I already mentioned, can be found at kessel.de. That's all about the Minilift M WC. Thank you very much for watching.